So I've just been working on my store, and it's honestly almost done. I've been working on it for like the last 3 days, just basically nonstop. I feel like I have no life, and trust me, I'm so not a tech guy. Like, I'm really not. So for people that are like, oh, how I can't make a website, trust me, if I could do it, you could do it. I'm gonna be very honest with you. Like, I fucking hate like this computer tech, being in like some basement on a computer. I hate it. I love being out and about. That's who I am. I love being out. I like more of the job where you like interact with humans rather than computers. But anyways, it has to be done, right? So I was working on my thing, and now I'm just trying to get some ideas for the creative sneak peek. Little sneak peek. But honestly, what I've realized is, after building a bunch of these stores and not even making any single sale, but still pushing, it's so important, honestly, to realize the circle around you, like the people you surround yourself with. It is super, super important. I'm doing this store with one of my close friends, and honestly, it would be a different story if you do it alone, because it's important to have good friends. It's important to have loyal friends. It's important to have friends you can have conversations with. I have all of those. Don't get me wrong. Those are good people to keep around, right? For sure. But what I've realized is it's the most important thing for a friendship or like a brotherhood is vision. I feel like if you and your friend don't have the same visions, as much as you have great talks, great laughs, I feel like at the end of the day, you might just split up years down the line, where when you are working on something with your boy and having the exact same vision, it's so much better. It's life-changing, because let's just take for an example, me and my friend that we work on the store, right? We've been close friends for years, and honestly, we have different personalities, we have different opinions. We get into some rebuttals here and there. That's completely fine though. But at the end of the day, what keeps us going is that we have the same vision. We have a step-by-step plan on what we're going to do and what we're going to achieve, and we've agreed on it. And it's like, this is what we are going to do. 2 is better than 1. 3 is better than 2. 4 is better than 3. Get as many people as you could that have the same vision, because I've realized it's so important. Like, I can just imagine, like, let's say trying to work on the store with someone, and then we have like kind of an argument saying, well, after we make a certain amount of money, I want to do this, and the other person's like, no, I want to do this. And it's like, whoa, wait, like, we got to be together making the store. If I want to go to Bali and you want to stay here, that might be a little issue. Not an issue, but it wouldn't be the best. I just feel like it's really good to have someone on the same page as you. A lot of people, I feel like they don't have that. So I've realized that I'm very grateful for it, because nights like these where I'm just working in my basement alone for hours, it pushes me to, it's gonna happen.